Poco M3 Pro 5G India launch confirmed for June 8. Poco launched the Poco M3 Pro 5G in the global market earlier last month. And today, the Chinese giant has announced the launch date for this 5G device in India. Poco M3 Pro 5G will be the company's first 5G smartphone in India and pack a MediaTek chipset. It will be launched on June 8. Poco M3 Pro 5G India launch date. The launch announcement of the Poco M3 Pro 5G comes from the official Twitter handle of Poco India. The company shared a tweet along with the launch date of the device recently. You can check out the tweet. As for the price, there is no official information as of now. However, the global version of the device is priced starting at €159, which translates to 14,150 rupees. Hence, we can expect the price of the base model of the M3 Pro 5G to start at under 15,000 rupees. It is expected to lock horns with the recently launched Realme 8 5G, which starts at 15,000 rupees. So, if it is priced below 15,000 rupees, the Poco M3 Pro 5G could take the crown for the cheapest 5G smartphone in India. Key specs and features. Now, coming to the device itself, the Poco M3 Pro 5G comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD LCD panel with a 90Hz refresh rate. It has a punch-hole design to house the 8MP selfie snapper at the front. Speaking of the cameras, the device rocks a triple camera setup at the back. You will find a primary 4.8MP sensor and two 2MP lenses for macro and portrait shots. Coming to the internals, the Poco M3 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, which is the same as the Realme 8 5G. It is paired with up to 6 GB of RAM and up to 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. There is also a micro SD slot for storage expansion. Other than these, the M3 Pro 5G packs a huge 5000 mAh battery inside with support for 18W fast charging. Furthermore, there is a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, Bluetooth 5.1, and of course, 5G connectivity. It runs the MIUI 12 for Poco based on Android 11 out of the box. These are the key specs and features of the Poco M3 Pro 5G. So, will you wait for the M3 Pro 5G to launch in India? Or, get the Realme 8 5G instead? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.